Hi, here you can log into the system. You just have a temporary username and password for the admin. Right now I have just logged in with an admin. This is the dashboard. You can see that there are various options available here which you can utilize. Let's start with the global configuration. These configurations affect the website as a whole. These are just some of the basic website features, like website is offline or online, what is going to be the message. Similarly, metadata information, this information is used for the search engine optimization, and then there is the mail settings, that where the email will go and all that stuff. Let's go back. These are the users. These here you will be able to see that all the user agents who are going to be here. For example, we have just added one as an agent, so you can log into the system as an agent also. For that purpose you will have to use this login button, and you will be able to log into the system, and you will be able to list your properties at your own. Now let's get back to the system. Alright, so on the homes again, okay, there is another option that is called banners. If we log into the system, if we look at the website, on the main screen we have the banner. These big pictures are called banners, so you can change these pictures from here. You can see that we have added 4 pictures already. You can click on the new and add a new picture. You can publish or unpublish any picture, or you can edit anyone. You can just simply click on that, and you will be able to see that from here you can choose file from your computer, upload it. Make sure that file size should be this one, so that it doesn't look different. Now this is pretty important part. These are the features of that, how the categories, how the listing of the properties, what categories they are, what features they are going to have. We have already added some features, but definitely you can add more. For example, we think that when you add property, you are going to add bedrooms, type, city, district, community, sub community. These are some of the features. To add any feature, and these are the options. For example, under the type, you can have 3 options to choose from. I will show you in more detail. You can add new anytime. Now if we go into the listing and categories, we have already made 2 categories, residential and commercial, and then some subcategories also under that. 2 subcategories under both of them, to rent and to buy. Now we have also added one item under the to rent. Let's see that how it works. Now this is these are the items. Items are the properties basically, which are going to be under the rent property. You can add a new one, or you can edit anyone, or you can publish or unpublish anyone. So let's see that this property, it has the 2 pictures in the gallery. Let's open it up and see that how it works. The first thing it shows is that it is going to be added by the user admin. If an agent is logged in, it will show that it is going to be added by the agent. Now the other thing you will see that it allows you to add 3 titles: English, Arabic and Persian. You can add the price, and now this particular portion, these are the features we added in the features tab. So here you can now start selecting that how many bedrooms it has, which type it has, under which district it comes, community, sub community. Now see I will show you that how this feature thing works. Under the city, you can see that right now there are only 3 cities. So if I want to add some more cities, I will go under the city and I will say, okay, option 3. Right now we have Dubai, Sharjah and Ajman. Let's add Abu Dhabi also. So click new. save. Now you can see the Abu Dhabi is here. We will just have to refresh this part. And you will be able to see that Abu Dhabi is here also. So similarly you can have more features also added. Let's suppose add bathrooms. Go to the feature manager, new, it's going to be subcategory of course not anything. It's going to be a text box, or you can have like a drop down list to select from. Now this is the search type that user can search by a drop down list or checkbox, something like that. It goes into the advanced search stuff. Let's just save it. Now let's take it up. Okay, let's refresh this particular part. Okay, now here you will have to attach this bathrooms to the categories. So just go into the categories. For example, with the because it is going to be with the residential and not going to be with the commercial, so we can select here that okay, what is going to be under the residential, because we are adding these things under the subcategories. So let's go into the subcategories. For the rental, okay, here we just need to choose it. And now if you will refresh it here using Control F5 or F5, you will be able to see that the bathroom option is also there. So we can say that okay, it's a 2-bedroom apartment and with the 2 bathrooms. Alright, so now go into the description. This is the description of all the details. You can have it in English, Arabic and Persian. And then here you can select which is going to be the main image, then the floor plan, and then a PDF brochure. So you can select from your computer and upload them. This is the map location. You can select the map that where it is located. So if I click on save and go into the details of the property, now you can see that two bathrooms is option is here, which we changed. And to add more pictures, you can click on the photos and you can add more pictures here. So you can see that right now there are only 2 pictures added here. You can click on the new and it will allow you to add more pictures. So if we go into now, another important thing is the users. If we go into the users and see that what is, just want to change the password for this particular user.